Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain an endoscopy case. After entering the patient's mouth, we can see two openings, one leading to the trachea, where the vocal cords are, and the other leading to the esophagus. For bronchoscopy, we go into the trachea, but for endoscopy, we move into the esophagus. After passing through it, we reach the stomach and its different parts. I'll explain those in more detail in future videos. Usually into endoscopy, we continue the procedure up to the duodenum. Sometimes secretion can affect the image quality, but we always try to keep the view clear and focus on the path and diagnosis. Thank you for watching. Please do it in more detail in future video.